Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Iced, Carbonated, Strong Mocha, Watermelon. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug from this Minnie Mouse bowl. Go ahead and you pour in a little bit of the hot chocolate mix into this mug from this container, and last but not least you pour in, pour in the strong coffee from this carafe, not the carafe but the percolator, and last but not least you pour in the carbonated watermelon. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced, carbonated, strong mocha watermelon. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.